Alright guys, so I'm gonna tell you real quick, if you see this in your garden, your cucumber is this small. I'll pull it out to show you guys. So basically they're this really tiny and they're yellow and dried up, and basically they're dying. They're not gonna make it. So the reason why they turn yellow and they're not gonna make it like this when they're small, it's because of pollination. Poor pollination, or it did not get pollinated at all. This was hidden behind a bunch of leaf here. I just prune out, as you guys see. I pruned a bunch of leaf. That's my neem oil, if you guys are wondering. Neem oil, guys, you could use if you get like powder mildew. I see they're coming back. I did mix baking soda with water and I sprayed it on them, and it got rid of all the powder mildew, but they're coming back again. So another reason why your cucumbers turning yellow too is when they get big, or even they're this size. They could be any size, and if they turn full yellow, it's basically they're overripe. You let them grow too long and they'll turn yellow. When they turn yellow, they're sour. So two ways how to save your cucumber when they're that small, guys, will be pruning some of the leaves out, right? Like get rid of some of the leaf, so this way it's open up for the bees to pollinate, or come out early in the morning and hand pollinate. Find your male flowers, get in there to your male flowers, get a Q-tip or a little small paintbrush, or you could use that flower, and then gently pollinate it in there. So hand pollinate in the morning will guarantee to save your to grow your cucumber. Or if you have a lot of bees, I do have bees, but you could see the bees have to go through a lot of leaves. So this is why I'm pruning. I'm gonna be pruning a lot more later on today when I come back home. I'm gonna be cutting. There's a lot of leaves. Cucumber plants don't need all this leaf. When you see in the bottom, guys, as they're growing, you could prune the leaves. You don't want your cucumber plant to grow all leaves. Guys, I harvest over 60 to 70 cucumbers on this trellis already, probably more, and they're growing non-stop. So what to do is to prune. Pruning helps a lot, guys. But a next thing too, guys, a next thing is when your cucumbers is overgrown and they're turning yellow. They're overgrown and overripe. You left them too long, so you have to harvest them. Don't try to grow your cucumber like massive size or big size like this right here. This is ready to harvest. If I leave this on more long, the only thing it's gonna do, my plant is gonna waste energy to grow it, and then it's gonna turn yellow, then it turns sour, then the inside turn like a solid white. Doesn't even look that delicious, and it doesn't taste that tasty, that good. So harvest your cucumber on time. It doesn't matter the size of a cucumber, guys. Once you have the lighter green coming up and it's dark green, you want to go ahead. That one right now, it's ready too. So my daughter's helper. So I'm gonna come back and pick all these cucumbers because I don't want them to turn yellow. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching Green Tea Garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new, and thank you for everyone who's been supporting. Really do appreciate it, guys. Editing on my phone still, waiting on my computer. Hopefully soon. I'll see you guys next time. Any comment or any question, comment below, guys. Let me know.